All right, welcome to a new inventor video for you guys. We're going to make this little glass here. You may call it a wine glass, you may call it a goblet, you may call it whatever, but either way, you're going to call it a fun assignment that will teach you revolve and a few other little features. So here we go. Hit File, New, just like we have many times. Make sure you're on English, in.ipt. Okay, so get that loaded. Hit Start 2D Sketch, and go over to the planes, hit XY like we've done many times. Okay, zoom out a little bit just to get yourself started. That way you have room to work. That's nice to give yourself a little bit of space so you're not drawing in no man's land. So you're going to click line on the middle, go up 6 inches, then see, I can zoom out some, then go left 2. Okay, simple enough. Up 6, over 2. If these things seem like they might be in your way, you can go ahead and slide this guy over just by grabbing the measurement and moving over. I prefer to do that because I don't want measurements all over the place. Don't zoom out too much because if you're too much zoomed out, it's hard to see where your starting point, plus these things get huge. Okay, click line again. Click the bottom. You're going to go over 1, up 0.25, right, make sure it's straight, 0.75, up 2, escape. Okay, done. So this is the first part of it. Next, you need an arc. Make this really simple. Okay, so watch me first. You've got to click on this endpoint here and this endpoint here, and then move it out. I could type a measurement if I wanted to. Let's say I wanted to do 4. That's great. Just type 4 in there or just dump it out here. It doesn't matter if that's perfect or not. Okay. Oops. See, I didn't click this. This would cause a problem. I'm going to drag him up so where that's attached to that. Okay, there should be all black lines when you get it done. It should be locked in. If you do not put a measurement, it won't be, but don't worry about it. It's okay. Okay. Press your finish sketch. Zoom back out. You're going to click on revolve. Okay, click revolve. All you have to do is click this middle line right here and it does all the work for you. Press OK. I love revolve. It's one of my favorite little commands. Okay, next, obviously, we can't put anything in here because it's not hollow. And no, I would not 3D print this, and no, it would probably not be safe to drink out of because it's just plastic and not the type that's coated. Most plastics have a coat over it that seals in the plastic so you don't end up drinking all the little chemicals. Okay, go ahead and go shell, click the top. That's all you have to do. Press OK. And you're done. Last little things I want to do, just so we do some more practice, is fillet. Let's fillet these little like edges right here, because you would want that on the glass. Okay, just add some extra support. And finally, this is going to be a glass, so this is going to be something. Let's make it a color, a little clear blue. I like that color, and then you're done. All right, go ahead and please save this as your last name, glass. And go ahead and upload it, and you're done. Simple video. All right? See you in the next round.